If you have decided you want to buy Bitcoin but you are not sure which exchange to use, or if you have already decided on Kraken specifically, this is the complete walkthrough. Every step from account creation to your first Bitcoin purchase. Nothing skipped? I'm Sats, and today we're making your first Kraken purchase actually make sense. Let's keep it simple. Before we get into the steps, one quick thing worth knowing about Kraken. Kraken is one of the longest-running and most established cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States. It has been operating since 2011. It is well regarded for its security track record and its fee structure, which is competitive particularly for larger purchases. It is a reasonable choice for beginners, and it is also a platform that grows with you as your Bitcoin knowledge develops. Like Coinbase, it is a regulated U.S. exchange, which means it is required to verify your identity before you can buy anything. We will cover that in the steps. Step 1. Create your Kraken account. Go to kraken.com directly in your browser. Type it manually rather than clicking a search result. This is a habit worth building for any financial platform. Click Create Account. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Kraken will send a verification email. Click the link to confirm your address. Step 2. Complete identity verification. Kraken requires identity verification before you can buy or sell. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer, and it is required by U.S. law for regulated financial platforms. You will need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. You will also need to upload a photo of a government-issued ID. Kraken will verify this automatically in most cases. Occasionally, manual review is required, which can take longer. Kraken has 2 main verification tiers. Starter level allows smaller purchases and withdrawals. Intermediate level, which requires additional documentation, unlocks higher limits. For most beginners starting with a modest amount, starter verification is sufficient to get going. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Step 3. Add a funding method. Kraken accepts several funding methods in the United States. These include ACH bank transfer, which is free and typically settles within 1 to 5 business days. Wire transfer, which is faster but may carry a fee from your bank. And debit card, which settles quickly but typically carries a higher fee. For most beginners, ACH bank transfer is the most cost-effective starting point. To connect your bank account, go to the funding section in your account, select US dollars, and follow the prompts to link your bank via routing and account number or through a third-party connection service. Note that ACH transfers may have a holding period before the funds are available to trade. Kraken will show you the expected availability date when you initiate the transfer. Step 4. Buy Bitcoin. Once your funds are available, navigate to the Buy Crypto section or use the Kraken trading interface. Select Bitcoin as the asset. Kraken offers 2 main ways to buy: the Simple Buy interface, which is straightforward and designed for beginners, and the Kraken Pro interface, which gives you more control over order types and typically offers lower fees. For your first purchase, the Simple Buy interface is fine. Enter the dollar amount you want to spend. Kraken will show you the amount of Bitcoin you will receive at the current price, including the fee. Review the fee before confirming. Kraken's fees vary by account level and purchase size, but they are displayed clearly before you confirm. Click Buy Now. The purchase will complete and Bitcoin will appear in your Kraken account. Step 5. Enable 2-factor authentication. Before you do anything else, secure your account. Go to Security in your account settings and enable 2-factor authentication. Use an authenticator app rather than SMS. Google Authenticator and Authy are both reliable options. This is the single most important security step after creating your account. Do it before you add more funds. Step 6. Consider where your Bitcoin lives. Your Bitcoin is now in your Kraken account. Kraken holds the private keys, not you. For small amounts and while you are getting started, that is an acceptable starting point. But once you have an amount you care about, moving it to a hardware wallet where you hold the keys yourself is the right next step. We have a full walkthrough of setting up a Ledger wallet and transferring Bitcoin from an exchange on the channel. The links are in the description below. One note on Kraken Pro. Once you are comfortable with the basics, Kraken Pro is worth exploring. It is the same platform but with a more advanced trading interface and lower maker-taker fees. You do not need it to start, but for regular purchases it can reduce your costs meaningfully over time. Quick recap before you go. 6 steps to your first Bitcoin purchase on Kraken. Create your account at kraken.com directly, complete identity verification, add a funding method, ACH bank transfer for low fees, debit card for faster availability. Buy Bitcoin through the simple interface, Review the fee before confirming. Enable two-factor authentication immediately, and start thinking about moving your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet once you have an amount that matters to you. Kraken is a solid, well-established exchange with competitive fees, particularly as your purchase sizes grow. It is worth knowing how it works. Once you have bought your first Bitcoin on Kraken, the most important next step is understanding how to move it off the exchange and into a wallet you control. The video on moving Bitcoin from an exchange to a hardware wallet covers every step. Watch that next. Stack smart, stay curious. See you in the next stack.